Okay, I thought I'd give you folks a quick rundown on a couple of combination selfie sticks / mini tripods that I've been trying out for a couple of weeks now. I've had the MT-16 for about 3 weeks. I've used it a few times. I've had the MT-47 for about a week, and I have used it a couple of times now. The problem that I had with the MT-16 is it's very light duty. It's basically 95% or so plastic built. The stand is plastic. Everything's pretty much plastic. The shaft, I suppose that could be aluminum. It does have an aluminum ball. Other than that, it's pretty much plastic. The problem with this is I'm holding the end of the head here. You can see there's quite a bit of play in here, and it's noticeable. I'm using my Galaxy Note 10 Plus to create these videos right now, and I guess it's just a little too heavy for a piece of kit like this. I've noticed when it's extended, I have the phone attached, I can actually feel the phone drop to the left or right sometimes. It doesn't give me a very good feeling of strength or security, just not very comfortable using it. For a lighter camera, I'm sure this thing would be just fine. What I did is I ordered the MT-47. Now this is an all-metal design. The base is all metal. The shaft is nice, sturdy. It's extra thick compared to the shaft on the MT-16. All metal construction, all aluminum, very sturdy. You can see when I hold the head here, there's just a tiny bit of play, but it's really hard to even get that play to move because it's just so well constructed. When I have the phone on here, it feels sturdy. For the price difference, I'm going to be sticking with the MT-47. I'm going to return the MT-16. I know this thing was about $32, $33 Canadian. The MT-47 was about $64, $65 Canadian. So it's basically double the price. But for me, the investment is worth it to go with the MT-47. It's just sturdier. The only other difference that I have noticed is the MT-16. When it's fully extended, you've got 15 inches. When the MT-47 is fully extended, you've got 13 inches. So you lose 2 inches of extendability there. For me, it's not a big deal. I'm okay with that. I don't think I ever use this thing fully extended anyways. It's usually just a little bit shorter than fully extended. So MT-47 stays in my box of goodies. Anyways, I hope this video helped somebody out there if you're trying to decide between one of the two or one of these compared to another product. I hope it was useful, and maybe see you on the next video. Bye for now.